Hey y'all, this is Jessica with Miley Made Me Do It. If you want to make this cute romper for your dancing beauty, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I have my pattern pieces cut out. This is the Little Lizard King Napa pattern. How cute is that? You'll need your pins, a jersey needle, or ballpoint. Let's get started. Okay, so I cut out my pattern pieces. I have my cuffs, 2 cuffs, my strap pieces, my main and my lining bodice piece, and that's front, and then I have my main and my lining bodice piece for the back. Cut out 2 rompers. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off by constructing our straps. I'll put this to the side. What you do is you're gonna get your iron and you're going to fold your strap piece in half lengthwise, just like that, so we can find our center. Gonna open it and place our raw ends in the center here. And like that. So fold our strap pieces just like this. If it doesn't stay, get starch, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I have my strap pieces both pieces fold to the center. Now what you're gonna do is just fold it again on top of each other, just like that. We're gonna take it to our sewing machine and we're gonna sew a long straight stitch right down here, okay? Repeat this same step for your other strap. If you have a brother, the Project Runway, the longest stitch that I did like a 4.5. All right, so before you move on to your next step, you will need to take your, remeasure your straps. Take it back and remeasure it, and if it has, you know, stretched out a little bit, just cut your straps back down to the size chart, okay? So just make sure you do that, all right, before you go any further. But your straps look good. Okay, so now we're going to start constructing our bodice. Grab your strap pieces and your main and your lining piece, your main front and lining front of your top. Line your strap in the center here of your shoulder seams. You can take it to your sewing machine and just do a little straight stitch here, a little stay stitch so it won't move. So now what you'll do is you'll take your lining fabric and you'll put it on top, right sides together of your main piece, just like that. Grab your pins and pin. Okay, so take this to your sewing machine and you're just going to do your zigzag stitch, whatever stretch stitch you like to use, along the arms, the shoulder seams, neck, and on the other side. Now what you'll do is you're just going to trim down your seam allowance. Okay, so I trimmed down my seam allowance. Now I'm going to just turn it right side out. Just like that. Grab your back bodice piece, front and main. You should have, I've already marked where my straps are supposed to go here. So You'll lay your main bodice back piece right side up, and you'll take your straps. And you will take your straps and you will lay it in that area and you will lay it where you marked your straps. Just like that. Now grab your lining piece and you're going to lay it on top of your back bodice. You're going to pin along here, take it to the sewing machine and do your half inch seam allowance. Okay, so now let's just flip our back bodice right side out, just like that. Flip it right side out, just like this. All right, so I took it to the iron and I just made it all nice and crispy with my, you know I love my starch. All right, so now let's connect our bodice. Let's get our bodice together. All right, what you'll do is open up your back bodice and you're going to open up your front bodice. You'll take the front bodice piece and you're just going to line it up, put it on top of your back bodice piece and line it up just like that. Grab your pins and you're going to pin on both sides. Alright, so I got both our side seams pinned. Take it to the sewing machine, do your straight stitch down. I went to my iron and I pressed out my side seams on both sides. Now, sing it with me. It's time to flip it. Hey, flip it good. Well, our bodice is done. Let's head to our next step. Okay, so I got my romper. My front and back. What you'll do is you're just going to open your romper just like this. Open your romper, and then you open your front romper, and then you open your back romper, and you're going to place these right sides together. Grab your pins, and you are going to pin along both sides, and along this U shape here, okay? All right, I have my romper pin, both sides in the U shape. Take it to your sewing machine and do your stretch stitch. All right, so I got my romper piece sewn. I went ahead and serged my raw ends. So now it's time to flip it. Make it right side out, baby. All right, so I got my romper right side out. We're gonna put this to the side and we're going to construct our cuffs. All right, grab your two cuff piece. We're gonna start with one and we're going to fold it right side together, just like that. All right, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your pins and you're going to pin down the long side of both of your cuff pieces. All right, so take your two cuff pieces, and what you're going to do, you're just going to take it to your sewing machine and do your straight stitch along these pins. And we'll be back. Let's open the seams here. And we're going to put them together and we're going to flip our cuff right side out. Okay, both of your cuffs are done. Now let's add them to our romper. Okay, grab your cuff piece. We're going to put it over our romper leg, matching the side seams. I'm gonna match the inside seam of my romper to the side seam of my cuff. I'm going to pin. Grab your pins and just gonna pin this cuff all the way around. Let's repeat this step with your other pant leg, other romper leg. Alright, so take this to your sewing machine, just do the zigzag stitch, and I'm going to serge it, and I'll be back. Alright, so I attached my cuff to the bottom of my romper, and I serged it. Now I'm just going to flip it right side out, just like that. Alright, so our romper is done. I attached my cuffs. Now what you're going to do is we're going to just do a gathering stitch all the way around, 2 gathering stitches all the way around our romper piece, because we're going to gather our romper piece to fit our bodice. All right, I'll be back. I took my romper to the sewing machine and did a gathering stitch. I took the romper to the sewing machine and I did my gathering stitches. If you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your romper wrong side out. Okay, so I have my romper wrong side out, and what you'll do next is you're going to grab your main bodice piece and you're going to stick this inside of, right sides together, put it inside of your romper, just like that. Grab your pins. Now we are going to line our the side seams of our bodice with the side seam of our romper. Do that for the other side also. Side seams to side seams. What we're going to do is we're going to get our romper piece here, and we're just going to pin this to our bodice. All right, I am back. So I went and I attached my bodice to my romper. So now we're going to bring it right side out. Let's flip it. Y'all are done. Look at this cute romper. I can't wait to put this on Miley. That's the front, and here's the back. This is so adorable. I thank you guys so much for sewing with me. Look at that. Y'all are done. Check y'all out. You guys are like sewing with knitting stuff now. Like y'all moving up on me. That's what's up. I love it. So if you have not gotten the Napa pattern from Little Lizard King, I will put this description, put the link in the description so you can go ahead and get that. This is made with knit. I got cute little cuffs. I didn't put pockets in. Don't judge me because I think I got a pretty big rock collection, if your mamas know what I mean. But yes, this pattern even looks adorable with long sleeves. So like she can wear this with long sleeves in the wintertime or just short sleeves when it's summertime or spring. This is so, I ain't gonna say summertime, I'm gonna say spring because it get real hot in Mississippi in the summertime and you don't want nothing touching you. But springtime, this is cute, y'all. So yes, this is so adorable. I love this. I cannot wait for you guys to try this pattern out. So if your girl haven't said it before, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and click your notification bell so then you can just be up to date on what's popping, what's going on, you know what I'm saying, what's new. And do not forget to subscribe, okay? So thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Keep sewing with me. Keep giving me these positive comments, you know what I'm saying? Because that just boosts my spirit, baby. And thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. See ya.